And you can see the glass completely busted out of that door right there, pushing some of the debris out of the restaurant. Basically, that restaurant and those two buildings right there, like Swiss cheese this morning, the water just rushing through them. And just look at that. You can see inside the building. Look at how much, I mean, it's pushed around 2x4s, looks like tables. Looks like, I mean.
It's hard to wrap your head around the power of the water.
Yeah, let's get back on top of the roof.
Oh, it looks like one person out, getting a life vest put on them.
Yep.
And the other, they're giving a wave there.
So this is Darby and...
This is Brian Darby, and we haven't heard the woman's name yet, but they are the owners of Coaches. They had been trapped inside for several hours. It looks like KSHB Rescue 1 was just able to pull them up after what looked like they had to cut a hole in the roof. It looks like both of them are safe this morning. That is great to see.
Yeah. Just amazing to see this rescue as it's been progressing. How careful firefighters have had to be there. Obviously, finally got to their goal here to get these two people out. They're getting the life vests on now. It doesn't get much easier from here, too. They've got to get these people back across. They've obviously done the biggest hurdle, cut a hole in the roof, get them out. Now they're making sure their life vests are on because they got to get them back down this ladder into a raft and then get them back across, you know, what is normally something they would just be walking on, the parking lot, the street, to get them back to safety.
Man, they've got to feel relief, smiling as they're getting, oh my goodness, in the boat with firefighters. The morning they must have had, it's great to see them laughing.
Yeah.
It's great to see them just feeling a little bit of relief after what had to be a terrifying experience.
And like Belinda said,
thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Belinda said their family's waiting on the other side of the street, so hopefully their family's got a sense of relief right now, seeing that they're okay physically, it looks like, other than, you know, it's got to be anxious right now going through what they probably saw inside that restaurant with all the water coming through and the damage that they experienced. And, you know, of course, where were they sitting? You know, on top of a bar, on top of a, you know, fridge, on top of the countertop? How do they stay out of the water? But now they've got to traverse down the ladder, 2 ladders, and then back on the raft to get them there. And hopefully this all goes smoothly and no problems from here out. But again, not easy because they got to get down those ladders, and then that raft again has got to get across some unusual currents and all the water in that intersection. But it's nice to see this. And a good ending, at least, to this rescue here at Coaches.
I want to stay with this. Please don't leave. And I just want to catch you up on some breaking news as well. Looks like we're getting a flash flood warning until 11 o'clock. Is that right, Lindsay?
Yes. That was the new update. Flash flood warning.
So this has been pushed back all morning. We've seen the storm develop overnight and really turn into something that's been extremely dangerous. And we've seen the flash flood warning extend to, I think it was like 7, 8, 9, and now, of course, 11. As firefighters do all of this. And Indian Creek, just one of many creeks that have flooded its banks. We saw Tomahawk Creek, of course, have a significant rise there as well. So you can see firefighters bracing the ladders to get the 2 owners of Coaches down into the raft here amidst all of this. A lot of emergency personnel on this as the creek continues to flood its banks. You know, again, this is historic flooding, 16 feet over what is normally their flood stage. You said 11 feet, Lindsay, is that right?
Yeah, 11 feet is where it usually sits.
It crested at like something like 27 feet today, 2 feet above what it's ever crested before. So this is significant.
Also, just catching you up while we watch these folks who just got rescued make their way into the raft to get back to safety across from the flooding. A lot of people, thousands of people, look at the wave. Look at the wave. We are safe. We are okay. We are so glad to see that. About 5,000 customers lost their power this morning, too, and a lot of those folks just getting it back after being without power all weekend. So we're still keeping track of everything else going on in town, but these images of 2 people just rescued by KSHB from through the roof of the restaurant after that intense flooding just took over 103rd Street in Warnell. This is unbelievable.
And power out, obviously, to that building. We talk about power outages. There were 140,000 people for the Sunday storm. Some of those didn't get turned back on, and then it was up to as many as 7,000 overnight for just KCP&L. So there could be a lot more people. This also affected traffic throughout the morning. We saw traffic lights going down.
Oh yeah, look, she had her rain boots on to come and work on the restaurant. They were trying to get ready for flooding. Family has told us, and we don't know for sure, but we can imagine the water rose incredibly quickly and likely caught them off guard, trapping them inside Coaches.
Just amazing to see, and a nice ending. This really is, I mean, after all that, not only emergency crews, but this poor couple has been through, these 2 people this morning, And especially after what this family has been through, the Darby family, with everything that's happened there as well. So they've got to get one. I think the other person is, yep, the other person's right there. Again, rain boots on. They're no strangers to flooding. They've seen this flood before, but no one could have predicted this, especially with the rain we got overnight. It was more significant than any of us had anticipated. So, and it caught a lot of people off guard, just significant. I mean,
that's Brian Darby, one of the owners of Coaches, who was one of the 2 people that was trapped inside, now safely in the raft with the Kansas City Fire Department, rescued. We saw the tools the fire department took up to get to them. Chainsaw, axe, Sawzall, anything they could use to cut a hole in the roof and get these people out safely, and they did it. They're making their way back across the parking lot of their restaurant right now, which is completely standing water.
Yeah, it's crazy to think that this normally is where cars are driving, where people are walking, and you notice they're not going just directly across the street. They're going in a way so they don't get trapped up in the current, or they don't, it's not problematic. They're trying to work with the current, not against it. And they've got some precious cargo at this point. And the other emergency crews are back on the roof gathering up all their supplies. So this boat still has to cross back over to get the other people and the other gear. That could be 2 more times. We saw it go 2 more times over there. So we'll see.